The output D in the circuit is the output D. We have to find the Boolean expression for the output function D. Okay, just to make things easier, we'll try to put some expressions right next to the circuit so we know, how things working. This is just AND gate inputs are A and B, so that will result in A dot B, correct? Similarly, this is going to produce B dot C, and since this is an OR gate, so the OR gate is going to be the sum of these two wires, right? And what do we have on those wires? We got A dot B, and we have plus B dot C, correct? So let me just rewrite here A dot B plus BC. I can further simplify it such that take B common here, and then I would get A plus C here. That is your output D over here. Can't be further simplified.